In this video, we will learn how to make a Fortnite map. So in order to make a map in Fortnite, all you need to do is firstly open up your Fortnite game. After that, you need to scroll down to the game selection window. From here, you need to head to the Buy Epic section. Now maximize it to get the creative mode. Here it is. So just left click on creative, select it. And now we can play the creative mode to create our very own map. After getting into the creative mode, and in order to create a map, all you need to do is come to this console and press E. In here, you can click on create a new island. From here, you will find a lot of starter island, a lot of template island, Fall Guy playgrounds, Lego islands, and TMNT islands. So we'll just create with any of these starter islands to create our map. You can choose any as you please. And after you have selected it, click on confirm. You can name your map anything you want. So I'll just say my map. Then click on confirm. Now going through the portal will lead us to our newly created map. And we can add various elements in here to customize and personalize it according to our needs. In order to start building, you have to open up your phone that is on the bottom left hand side of your screen, and under it you will see the keybind that is used to open it. So my keybind is tilde and yours can be whatever you set it to. After clicking on it, you can do various things like copy, cut, select, delete, fly around, and do various stuff. So I'll just copy one of those trees and make a copy of them in here. And by clicking on that hotkey again, the phone tab will be turned off. You can also go into the creative menu by clicking on the M button, and from here, after going into the contents tab, you can find various types of content that you can use in your very own island. You can use various structures, weapons, featured devices, and items. All of them are set in here, and you need to find them and customize this map according to your needs. So this is how you can easily make your very own map in Fortnite and enjoy it with yourself and your friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.